We'll play Split for an hour.
I'm unbelievably down.
Yeah, I mean, if that's the worst map, then
That's
absolutely.
our worst map, yeah. Dude, my old team would be like, no, I don't want to play our worst maps. I'm like, what? Why? All they want to do
only
is play
winning
Helix.
is fun.
I'm like, we win Helix. Okay, this time I'm not gonna wrap.
We're still getting 2 up, right?
Yep.
I'm going rap. They're going 2.
I'm down.
We have a sword.
Oh, I got killed. I'm down.
Wow, I died. I'm on 2. Bottom berries look good. They have 1 left on top.
I cannot kill through the raptor.
Oh, I'm on
We
last
need a sword gate.
now. Yeah, you're right. They're
Gun
one.
bottoms.
They're not.
They got a lot of moments to go.
That one didn't go well, because I didn't wrap. I didn't wrap in the beginning, and he kind of was able to stop things a little bit better.
Both Adam and Andres went to their safe gate.
Yeah.
I don't know how I bumped him out, but one of them got out.
I think I have to be faster to swap to mill if someone goes down. And I'm in a position to do it fast.
Alright. He's down 1 life. Lobster's done literally nothing. I'm on 2, he's on 2.
Got him.
He's on last.
He's on last.
Oh shit, Adam.
Oh, what the?
I'm down. Wow, that was.
Nice.
Beautiful.
That's not something we should rely on. Killing
Oh, actually, I killed him.
2 times. Yeah. No, I mean like a military victory. That's what I meant. Yeah.
No, military victory on split is stupid, but although I guess it shouldn't be uncommon if we're doing this.
They're a super legend card, you know. Got it.
I'm up.
Yeah, 3 at the top. How are we doing?
Oh shit, I'm down.
I'm down. I'm on last now. We have a sword at the top. Alright, let's get someone else up. Jesus, get up right now.
Alright.
I'm down. We're 0.
I'm up.
Yeah, I think for split, maybe having 2 up at all times.
I don't know that Econ is necessarily unstoppable on this map. Because it always seems like we lose because they get up.
Yeah.
You know, like they.
And we're always beating them in berries, you know.
Lobster's up speed.
Nice.
Alright. They have no top berries at all.
I literally
I'm up.
wasn't looking. We're up
Lobster
1.
speed shield. Or speed sword. Oh my god. I can't even get up top. They're just trying to kill me. I'm dead.
It's okay. Alright, he's on last. I'm on last, guy.
Alright, I'm up sword.
Good job.
Hold bottom right. I'm also up.
Back up.
Got lobster.
you on the moon. my
More
friend.
one berry out. One berry out.
God damn
Oh.
it, sorry.
Why were you there?
To fight him on the moon. I don't know. I'm sorry. Just